Artificial intelligence involves systems that simulate human intelligence. Think of a brain, a robot, and data flow. An intelligent agent observes its environment, learns from experience, and makes decisions automatically. Examples: spam filters and recommendation systems. Traditional software has fixed behavior, like a calculator. An intelligent agent can adapt and learn, for example, a recommendation system improving over time. In rule-based systems, decisions rely on if-else rules, like traffic lights. Goal-driven systems, such as self-driving cars, make decisions based on goals. Learning systems, like modern AI spam filters, improve over time, contrasting with older filters that remain static. The environment influences AI behavior. Consider a robot in a room, a chatbot interacting with users, or a chessboard. AI environments can be static, like puzzles, or dynamic, deterministic with predictable outcomes, or non-deterministic with uncertainty. The agent lifecycle includes perceiving the environment, deciding, acting, and repeating. Emergence in agent-based modeling shows how simple agents following basic rules form complex patterns over time.